Hello guys, welcome to my Millionaire Life show. And this is the show about my life. I'm gonna become a millionaire. So now I'm washing my truck. I'm a truck stop at Iowa 80, and it's really good. It seems that they're doing a pretty good job. We'll see whenever I'm done. What do we get? I feel like they did a really good job. There's a little bit of sun, a little bit of it's a little bit dark over here at the truck stop, so you cannot really see the shining stuff that they apply on it, but they look really great, and that's good. At Iowa 80, about to find something to eat. It's pretty cool that they have a big semi like that can work in a truck stop. I can't even imagine how did they get that inside over here. That you see that's a closed building, you know. I think those guys the only thing they did is like getting one piece of the truck at a time and putting all together. And look at this cool picture on it. Wow. That's really nice. I think who is behind me? Who is that guy? I think it should be Sandy over there. That is really cool. Yeah, I'm really happy to be here.